Hello students, you know biology is a mandatory subject that every high school student needs to take up. Even though it's a challenging subject, but if you understand its basics, that will help you a lot. So today I'm going to give you 7 proven tips and tricks to excel in biology. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Now the first important point is reading the text. Reading the text is extremely important, and always go to class well prepared. Now, how are you supposed to read the text? Always engage in active reading, which means read out aloud when you are reading your textbook, and then again you can repeat out aloud the main concepts which you have already read. Now when you are reading, highlight the important keywords and definitions which you come across in the chapter. You can use a highlighter or a colored pencil to highlight those important concepts. Now even if you don't have time to read the entire text, what you can do, you can go through the important diagrams of the chapter. That will help you to clear the main concepts of the chapter. And students, do remember that those students who regularly attend their bio class always score greater than those students who skip their classes. Now the second point is general to specific, which means master the general concepts of biology so that you are able to tackle the specific ones. For example, if you need to understand the Krebs cycle, then you should have a good knowledge about the animal cell structure. Now the third important point is learning terminology. Now if you want to understand the biology, you need to familiarize yourself with different terms. Break down the complex words to identify their root. For example, endoplasmic reticulum. It can be divided into 3 words. Endo, which means within, plasmic, which means cytoplasm, and reticulum means net. That means endoplasmic reticulum means a net-like structure which is present within the cytoplasm. Now the next important point is practice diagrams. As I have already told you that you need to go through all the important diagrams which are present in the chapter. That will help you to clear your concepts. And you also need to practice the diagrams. A well presented diagram can help you to fetch more marks. Now the next important point is past questions. Practice your previous year's papers, because that will help you to provide an insight how well you are prepared for your biology exam, and this will also help you to improve your time management skills. Now the 6th point is making flashcards. Even though flashcards are not so common in India, you can prepare flashcards of your own. Now you have to prepare the flashcards related to a vocabulary word or a keyword that you have come across your chapter. Now how you are going to prepare your flashcard? You can take a card and you can write your keyword on the front side of your flashcard, whereas on the back side of the flashcard you can write a short concise note regarding to that term. So this will help you to revise later. And the last and the most important point is mnemonic devices. Mnemonic device is a memory aid that you can use to recall an important information. For example, now if I have to remember the different phases of mitosis, I can prepare a mnemonic device. For example, I prefer milk and tea, where I stands for interphase, P stands for prophase, M stands for metaphase, A stands for anaphase, and T stands for telophase. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and make an effective use of all the suggestions that I have provided you during this video. Either you can use all the tips that I have provided you, or you can use those which are best suitable for you. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.